Let's take a look at this Tesla. The car owner said it doesn't charge no matter what. Let's see if it's true. We have a red light over here. This means it cannot charge. On Cluster it also shows it cannot charge. We have 0 ampere charge. So it should be a problem on the charging system. Let's take out the charging unit. We found out there are some blown fuses. This one is blown, and when fuses are blown, charge cannot be initialized. It must have been a short or an overload, so we need to measure the board and check all the phases. In these areas there are clear signs of damage. Let's test the diodes with a multimeter. So diodes also have issues. Let's remove the broken diodes and test them against good ones. Then let's replace the broken diodes. Now fuses and diodes have been replaced. Our job should be finished. Let's reinstall the unit on car. Now everything looks normal, and the most easy thing to check, the red light is now green. Cluster shows charging in progress, and we have more detailed info on the head unit. Repair is complete.